everyone, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. Please, if you know say today is your first time you hit that red subscribe button, please click that red subscribe button and click that notification bell icon so that you get notified whenever I put a new video here. Guys, thank you very much and God bless you. So guys, today we want to talk about Hush Puppy. Who really this Hush Puppy we will talk about for you. So in real name na Raymond. Yeah, in real name na Raymond. So, but based on the lifestyle when they live, you can give yourself Aja 4, Aja Puppy, yeah, something like that. So what really happened? Maybe say they sentenced him to prison, and then sorry for the noise. They sentenced him for prison, and then now he go spend maybe. I think he will spend more than 10 years or 10 years for prison. Say this life they say when we do something for life, we need to apply wisdom, you need to apply wisdom when you do something. They say there's this parable they say every day for the thief, one day for the owner. I know say it's really not easy. Normally he's showing off himself in the social network and all those stuff, social media, they show himself as post all private jets, post different cars and different stuff that he's doing, But the thing is that I know, see, when person they suffer, then when they say you don't still get things, when you don't get money, when you don't make up for life, the thing they like. The thing as it get as they do you for body, but no matter how you do you for body, no matter how you go shack you reach for body, not too much expose and hurt for social media or social network, they expose yourself and all those things. Really, and the thing is that when you say they eat money, we not meant for you, the repercussion they come somehow. Really, the repercussion will come somehow, because the thing is that this Hush Puppy so it not Dubai based billionaire, it is based for Dubai, and it get private jets, it get different type of cars, they live for different, as in they live for better marshal for Dubai. Dubai na European, na same type, na same part of European country, and those say white people they observe we will be black most times. They observe we will be black. They observe so many things we will do. When you say you do something, you dey another man's country. You do something. You cannot apply wisdom. You understand? You cannot apply wisdom. Not too much. They do things you like because Oyibo they observe you. They watch you. If they don't meet you, they feel just leave you say, but when they meet you be that. What do you mean they try to be say? This Dubai-based billionaire so now they don't cash out. They don't cash out. They will sentence them to prison and they seize all properties. As in reason it to yourself upon all this stuff and all the stuff and that they don't seize all this property. So that's what they try to tell you say when they eat money will not belong to you, the repercussion they come with you. You understand? When they do something like apply wisdom, reason and they look at it as in they observe and they think future, they don't say one day this repercussion will form it. You understand? And the way the thing will take blasting, as in is unexpectedly. You understand? This Hush Puppy so assuming say if they do other stuff, other job, they do all these singers, all these celebrities, all these what they call them, this magician where they do different type of. If it's not a magician, if it's not a sing, they sing, or celebrities, if it's not a heart, they heart. They get another job where they still do. I wish as they do this illegal business, you see get your personal job when they do, they know too poor for your body like that. You understand? I don't feel like poor for a body like that. Selfish, say, this guy they do illegal business. How till they get this money? You dey person country, you dey Oyibo country, you dey white land, you dey do something, and you get different type of things wey their own say, wey dem themselves no even get. My guy, one day they will come meet you there. You understand? That's what you'll be. So then one day they will come meet you for there. You understand? Well, we don't really know if maybe they will sentence down to like 10 years or 20 years, but normal. If I thought it was finish, say they will still come, they'll still deport and go Nigeria. They'll still deport them back to Nigeria. The thing is that when you are doing something, when you do something for life, you're gonna apply wisdom, you understand? Because really say this country not my country and this thing when I do so. The thing is that you as a person, you enjoy life, you get different type of cars. They're not saying they're not they make money. They make money, they get money but in a genuine way. I know say a lot of people get money not still in a genuine way. Everybody can make money in a genuine way, fine, but assuming you have your personal job that is doing like in a heart, in a do that job, you understand? They do different type of they say they go work. Or you know if you pour for your body there because my guy, you do work, you work your own personal work. They will not say, this person don't go for this money. Not the way they say you know the work. They know you know they come for us. What is yours the personal button. Understand? And a lot of things we say that those things when they flex, they enjoy, they eat different type of food, they eat good food, they live in good mansion, they drive different type of cars. They use different type of private jets. When they charge other people. Do you know that you have caused a lot of people debt out there? Yeah, you have put a lot of people in pains out there. You don't put people for pain. A lot of people they say when you discharge them, if it be say na their last kobo, then you discharge them. They feel say this person, when they do this, they'll say most of these things now investments of all these investments they invest now the cost of these things most of the time. You understand this kind of stuff. When you invest on what's person will tell you say send me so thing. Send me like 20 euro or like send me like 30 euro. I will multiply it with 150. Actually, who does that? So you don't have the happen. Money go they multiply. All those are scammy stuff, you understand? Those are scam, na fake. You know, if you say you want to send person 20 euro, there at the end of the day, the person will come multiply for you 150. But sometimes we humans are gonna apply wisdom. Person say send me 20 euro, you should go send that 20 euro. Say you go multiply for you 150. Share the money that they like, the money that they pluck on, they get through for the pluck on. You understand? So most of the time, this people they scam most of the time. I know they pity them all because you know apply your wisdom. When person call you, they say, person just send you a request, you accept it, they say, can invest 20 euro. Invest 20 euro, multiply this 150 or something like that. Then you not should send the money to the person. Wait for your investment. The next thing you hear, they will block you. So that's what it be. Most of those things, I have seen all those things. Different type of people don't send me requests on Instagram and all those Facebook and all. They'll say, Miss, have you heard about this social platform, social company like this? When you invest social amount, they're going to multiply it for you. I would say, yes, I've heard about it before. I don't hear about it those things. Say, do you have interest to like invest for this money, to invest in this company, to invest maybe you get this type of money? I say, I will say, let me be looking at it. But I know the next thing you see, I will block the person because I know that it is fake. It is fake. So I will not ask customer, I say, send me to so amount, I want to multiply it for you. Who does that? Like seriously? So this hush puppy, so it don't cost a lot of pain for people. You understand? It don't cost a lot of pain. I must say the truth. It don't cost a lot of pain for people. So you cannot bear the repercussion that come out of it. You need to bear it, my brother. You need to just screw down there and just do whatever they ask you to do because it is what it costs for yourself. You understand? You know, this youth nowadays, we don't have to be. You need to be patient. Stop hurrying life. What you dey hurry for life? The money you go get am. I know say a lot of people don't just want to pass through difficulties. A lot of people don't just want to suffer first before they get the money. You want to get money, you get it in the right way, in a genuine way. You are doing a legal business. You have to get your personal job that you're doing. If you get your personal job, what you do, you're not going to pour for your body. You understand? They're not going to observe you because you know, so they be fast. Person will say they think fast and they know what you do fast. Even for that face they will start such thing. They know you, they observe you, they will look at that you go change, But when they say you not change, what is the next thing? So they will have to take their actions. You understand? So you this hush puppy, you know, say a lot of people don't be RIP. A lot of people don't be rest in peace for this your stuff that you are doing. Because most of this charging of something, you scam someone. Most of these people that you are scamming, or those even not be only hush puppy, the scam people. A lot of people they will see the scam. When you are scamming, you have to think that you are putting pain on them. You understand? Because most of the money does not belong to the person. You understand? The money does not belong to the person. How can someone charge 200 million from a European government? The money that belongs to this COVID-19 stuff. You went ahead and charged them. Then you shouldn't say that they are happy. They're not going to be happy now. So such thing, you have to apply wisdom on it. A lot of other celebrities that I talk before, but they do all those other work where they work, not be celebrities what they do. You know, so when you say for the talk down here, when they talk for this city, we're not going to talk say we're not get work. You understand? We get work, not say we not get work. YouTuber has work, you understand? So YouTube also is still work. So that is what I'm saying, you understand? He made a mistake for him to be just doing only one job, one particular job. You know that he's fetching money, fine, but you know that this money is not for me. I am charging it for other people, but I have to apply my wisdom. I have to do other things that people will not put eyes on me. Huh? Nigeria-based billionaire. Nigeria person have a private jet in another man's country, have different cars in another man's country, as in live in a big mansion in another man's country. Fine, when you are living in another man's country, you can build a house, you can buy a house, you can buy cars, you understand? You can do it. But when you are working a genuine working, when they notice that you work a good work, you're working a good job, you are not they notice that this person is not working. But how come that is having this type of money? I know it's not working because what I'm saying is that white people, if you are in a European country, white people will notice, they always know that what you're doing, they know what you're doing. When you are working, they know. When you are not working, they know. You understand? When you are not working, they know. So if you are doing all this stuff, all this type of something, you have to go and apply wisdom. Think first, reason that as in think about future. Just what I'm saying is that think about future. That is the most important thing. Say because you know if you just say you want us to the difference is cool. When you have always heard that there's this parable that says every day for the thief, one day for the owner. You understand? One day must be the owner. So you gotta apply wisdom whenever you're doing anything. You need to apply wisdom to don't say you we do if you say life don't finish. I know say then with the software a lot of people not come out and talk about we know that one. But if you want as yourself say you want to make money, you will make the money, fine. There's no one is against it because karma don't fall everywhere for not be today starts. You understand? But you're you would have been doing other job, other genuine job. This maybe it will not come or it will not come out to social media like this. If they do other job you post as you do your job where you snap your picture, you post on social network. As you see they post your private jet and your this thing and so on, private jets, and so on and so fast. You understand? So you still post the work where they work, the personal work where they work, where they give it that where they fetch you the money, you still post that for the social network. So people know to pour for your body. Like celebrities now, they'll post their pictures, talk about their job, post their videos, their videos they don't do, they'll post that for Instagram, post that for Facebook, everywhere. So we all are thinking that is the only place they make money, but that is not the only place they make money. They have their own business they are still doing. You understand? So please guys, what do you think about this video? You need to apply it. Now look at the punishment he has faced, and look at the punishment he said they don't put on. When you don't put yourself, now you put yourself for this punishment. Now, as in you come there for more than many years for prison, they one place without coming out, without saying song, without saying anything, you just be there. So guys, tell me what you think about this video, and do not forget to subscribe if today is the first time. See you up in my next video. Bye bye.